This is 1H part 1, where we're now going to start looking at this subform and tidying it up so that we can see all the data that we require. So let's go through to design view. One of the first things we can do is get rid of this title here, pitch allocation, and we can now make this a little bit bigger. And it's probably best to make it bigger on both sides so that we can see all of the data that we need. Now if we have a look at this, we're going to have our pitch type ID, our description and our current price. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reduce the size of the current price for now, and that will allow us to move the description over and to bring the pitch type ID in. So the pitch type ID is over here on the right, so we'll move both of those over here. We're actually going to change this to a drop down box, but let's just get our data in the places that we want to start with. We're not going to need pitches remaining displayed. That's going to be used for the validation later on, so we can just delete those. Quantity, adult and children we need, and then we've got the price charged and the booking ID. Well, the booking ID isn't needed because that was just used to link the subform to the main form, so we don't need to display it. But the price charged is what we're actually going to be storing the current price in, because the current price is in the pitch type table and that's what will need to be charged. So we're just going to make the price charged a bit smaller, remove its title, and we're going to get rid of current price from here, and we'll put price charged in there, so that that is the actual data that's going to go there, and we're going to change that in a bit. So this is the data that we need the subform to display. Let's have a look at what it looks like so far. There we go. If we go to a new record, that's what it's going to look like. I need to click the right new record button, which is one at the bottom. There we go. Now in the next tutorial, you'll be working on this bit where you'll be changing the pitch type ID to be a drop down box, and we'll also be looking at how we can make the price, the current price, be allocated to the price charged field.